All right, Paulo, so I'm underneath the vehicle here. I've got the splash shield down a little bit, and what I'm doing is I'm prying on the transmission mount, and there is the exhaust bolts that I was telling you about. And so I mean, that's where I would start, because for me to tell you for 100% sure that it's that, like, there's a whole bunch of steel parts here, right? And so it could be that there are some other steel parts that are kind of rubbing together, but without taking everything apart, that's where I would start, just because I know that that is a surface that is made to move. And like I said, in the past, I've had it with another Prius Prime that was going on. And like I said, it's difficult to know exactly where it's coming from, because any sound is going to reverberate through the rest of the steel pipe. It's an empty steel pipe, right? So it echoes through. But that would be my first, if this were my car, that's what I would change first, and I would expect it to take care of it.